He was hiding in a hole in the ground, threshing wheat at the bottom of a wine press, terrified someone would see him. Gideon was not out front leading anyone. He was crouched in the dark, trying to keep his family from starving, while Midianite raiders stole everything in sight. And that is exactly where the angel found him. Not on a mountaintop, not in a temple, in a hole, afraid. And the angel looked at him and said, "The Lord is with you, mighty warrior." Gideon did not feel like a mighty warrior. He felt like a man hiding food in a ditch. So he asked God for a sign. Then he asked again, wet fleece, dry fleece. God answered both times without frustration, because God was not calling Gideon by who he was in that moment. He was calling him by who he was already becoming. Your fear does not disqualify you from your calling. It just means you have not seen yourself the way God already sees you. Follow for daily faith motivations.